Hi everybody, it's Sheila with Designs by Babymoon, and I just put in our Facebook group, which is called Designs by Babymoon Embroidery Designs, friends and fans, and you can just search BBED on Facebook and that'll pull that group up for you. But we just put in a 2-inch tall sketch style farmhouse font that is really fun, and I'll show you what that looks like. But it's in a Dropbox file, so I wanted to show you how to get it out of Dropbox and how to use it in your Embroidery Embroidery software. So you'll go to this, it says just now, today is March 24th, 2018. You'll go to that post in the group, and then you'll click on the Dropbox link, which will bring up a Dropbox screen. You don't need Dropbox. You don't need to have a Dropbox account to use it. It will just click on this screen and bring up a new page for you, or a new tab. And you wait for it, and it tells you it's going to bring in the BX file, which is what you need to use in Embroidery Express, which is a free program to put fonts or lettering, combined lettering with. So we're going to wait for this to all get done. Okay, it says it can't be previewed, and what you would do is you would click open, and then you would save that onto your computer wherever you keep your embroidery files. I personally use Dropbox, obviously, but I also use Google Drive, and then I keep those, I manipulate them from Google Drive and Dropbox. I don't really store a whole lot of things on my computer because, as we all know, your computer is not reliable. So once you get that in there on your computer where you want it, you're going to open up your Embroidery. This is the Embroidery page. If you don't have Embroidery Essentials or Embroidery Express, you would just go to embroidery.com/downloads, and you would click whether you're using a Mac or a Windows computer, and you would just click on this file or click on this file and download those to your computer and unzip them and run the installer, and then you would have a free program to combine those. So let me show you in Embroidery what that looks like. So when you get to your Embroidery, you could have your fonts open over here, and you'll see when you download it, you'll have a instead of a file folder, you'll have a little folder with a little needle on it, and that needle is actually the font you want. So it's called, in the group, it's called DBB Animatic 2-inch. And so you would just click on that and drag it over anywhere off of the computer, what is that called? Explorer, or wherever you keep your files, the file manager part. You would just click on it, drag it, and then drop it over here onto your Embroidery screen, and it's automatically in the program. So since I've already done that, I'm going to show you what happens. So when I open up Embroidery, this is what my screen looks like, and I click on the lettering tab to add lettering, create letters, and then
Mom, the snake is a poison snake.
I know it is. My son Simon just brought me a stuffed animal snake. So you click on the lettering and you get these screens on the side. So you've got two windows over here. You've got one that shows the objects of your design, and then you've got the properties for that object. So we're going to be working with these. This is like your text box or your lettering that you can use your keyboard for. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see, and we're going to type in a word. We're going to type in the word Babymoon. Okay, and then we're going to click set, and that'll change our lettering to the lettering. But I want to use the new font that I just uploaded for you guys. So over here in my list of fonts, and I've got quite a few, it's called the DBB Animatic again, and so I will click that font, and the program automatically changes what I had in there in that block font to the font, to that new BX font that we just created. Now, you can see that some of those letters are different colors, so that you can change those colors. You can make them all the same, and the way to do that is you would just click on them and click on each individual one, and I would go to this one that is different, and I would turn it into 2123 Bordeaux so it matches. Nope, I need to turn that back to an isochord because that's what I use. There we go. 2123. Let's go there and change that one. I would change this one back to isochord. And not all fonts will do this. I just had different colors in there when I was drawing the letters out. So those are all the same color now.
Mom, you can't.
And let's just make sure. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3. Go, click it, say OK. And they're all, I just want to make sure they're all the same so that nothing is. Okay. Okay, now I come up with one color for all of the letters right here. So that's what I wanted. So there's our letters right there. And then you can take this file and you can send it to your embroidery machine, however you do that. Or you continue, if you have more of Embrilliance, if you have essentials, you can bring your main design that you're merging these letters onto, and you can put it on that way. You can bring in more letters and have another line of text. And so the way, what you would do, you know what? Hang on just a minute, okay? Hang on. You can take and you make another one, Babymoon Designs. Let's say Designs. And I'm going to set those letters, and there you are. So another thing that's kind of fun with this design, because it looks to me very rustic, is I would make it, let's maybe make, we can make it say, let's make it say happy. It's just so fun. And we'll click this set of lettering up here, and let's change it. And we'll change its words too. You can see, I'm just typing with my keyboard. You can see how easy, I can't spell, it is to put lettering in everything. It doesn't matter if they're capital, because this set, lettering set, only has capitals. Happy everything. So those are fun. You would just save this now. However, you, I save my designs to my USB and then take them over to my embroidery machine. But you might save it straight to your sewing machine, depending on what kind you have. Let me know if that's helpful, and have fun with this font, and happy everything to everybody. And I hope you can make something beautiful and creative. So let me know what you think about that. Thanks for watching.